Tired of constantly changing the string on your Ryobi string trimmer? Keep watching, you'll want to see this. Welcome back to TMD Tested. Today we're going to take a look at an accessory from Ryobi. It actually goes with your 15-inch string trimmer. And here it is. And it is called Ryobi's Real Easy. It's a 2-in-1. It comes with plastic orange blades here. And you can actually put string in it. Now, what I did, I have two here just to show you the difference. But what you'll basically get in the pack is just this one and blades. And you can add your own string to the sides of it. And you just kind of take it out here. And you can put it in on the sides of it. And we'll just test it out to see how it works. And basically, you're going to just take it off the top of here. And then you'll just add this little accessory. And that's it. You'll just add it onto the front of there. So basically, you're taking off this head and substituting this head on the front of it. And we'll just take a quick look at it to see how it works. So now this is the area we're going to clean up. I know it looks a hot mess, but we're going to try to tackle it with this Ryobi Real Easy 2-in-1. So this is the area I cut. I did notice that it took down the weeds without any problems. I also noticed that the blades didn't get as low as the fixed string. Now, the downfall of the fixed string is that it kept getting shorter and shorter, which means that I was going to have to change that pretty quickly. So I guess if you just want to cut everything down and not worrying about how super low you're getting it, the blades are for you. And if you just want it low and you want to change the string out, then you'll definitely have to go with the fixed string. Now, I would say it would be easier compared to using the regular bumper head where you're changing more of the string. At least the fixed string is easy to get to. So this would definitely help in an overgrown area. I see no problem with it. I would definitely recommend it as an add-on with your string trimmer. Okay, thanks for watching TMD Tested. Please hit like and subscribe and watch out for other videos.